Dr. Lambert, I'm sick. Can I come into your office, please?
Of course you can, Gerhelia. Come in today. Come in, Gerhelia. What seems to be the problem today?
I can't stop coughing. I've been coughing all day.
Oh, I know just the thing. Let me go get my tips and tricks for coughing handbook. Okay. I have found a lot of different ways, but today I will tell you 3. The first is to breathe through your nose for 4 minutes with 8-second breaths. So breathe out your nose for 8 seconds and in your nose for 8 seconds. The second thing is to drink a lot of water. It is very important to stay hydrated. And the third thing is to have a cough drop. Cough drops are helpful. Are those good tips?
Yes, Dr. Lambert. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Lambert.